Yo, dog, we don't know about them thing, but it's the doctor, yeah. He might create a wicked serum in him lab, no dog. Wicked thing in here, Medusa serum. But what you don't know is that Dave won't be using his bazooka.
Medusa serum.
Medusa syrup on nobody.
That part is accurate.
He thought that way, come. Huh? Uno stole the Medusa syrup? Yes. We steal the syrup, save the day, we do a job for you. Real bad man. How that?
Dave.
Dave.
He hacked into our system.
Adisha Mutuk again.
Where's the sound?
Dave.
I can't.
Your microphone, it's not
Click
on.
on the button or the picture with the microphone. Oh, the idiot then.
Hello? Hello?
But now
Piss me off.
we cannot see.
Every minute like talking to a baby.
How about now?
Yes.
Oh, yes, we've got you. That's
Excellent.
fantastic.
Now, where was I? Greetings, North Wind. I see you've met my old zoo mates.
Yo, fix up them talk. No meeting. Dog, you can't give me no talk. Right about now, I may lock the place. I may thief your Medusa syrup. Hey, boy, I will thief that. Over.
It's over? Then why did I call you? Weird. Oh, maybe it was to show you this.
That is a lot of serum for 4 penguins.
Oh, you thought this was just about you 4? No. We're just getting started. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go do some shopping. For revenge!
Dog, your teeth, them one fix.
Wait, how do you...
Push the button there.
What do I push?
The one there.
Is it the red or...
The one there.
I thought it was the... It's not
Move,
this...
idiot.